Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you once again to our today's episode of this program. And today we get some news for our table. When we say we want quickly the review to Una concerning the things when we say is still they go on for inside this country, Nigeria. And also for the process, we'll still review some videos to you all still on the same matter. And for us to start with, we get this very one when it does say, we no regret any move when it be say we take to negotiate with bandits. This one na the word when it be say Zamfara State Governor review when it be say in name na Matawale. All right, this very news reached our table July 5th, 2020. And after this very one, we'll still review another video again for the course of this very program. And with that, we not waste any of your time. Let us just go straight to the details of this very one first. And for us to start with, this one to say, Zamfara State Governor, when it be say in name na Bello Matawale, it to say they no regret any move when it be say they take to make negotiation with bandits for inside the states. And still on top of the matter, they come because understand say the governor of Zamfara State when it be say in name na Matawale for a statement when it be say he make on Sunday, into say the decision when it be say in government take to negotiate with bandit say na for the overall interest of the state. And again, it can see further review say they apply what they call peace accord as a means of honest solution to solve the problem of Zamfara State against bandit. Say this very issue, say it yield a very big result when it be said they never expect for the last 1 year. And as we go deep for inside the matter again, it can say, however, say their honest and focused deal when it be said they make with this bandit so, say it make sure say it reduce total drop of banditry attack for inside the state when it can be say it allow their roads, their markets, their school, and their farm to reopen again. And still on top of the matter, it can talk say the same way when it can be say nearly 1,000 persons when it be say these bandits they release out of their free way. And not be only that one, say thousands of weapons, dangerous weapons when it be say these bandits they surrender out of their free will when it be say they not pay any single kobo. This one are the word when it be said the governor of Zamfara State, where in name na Bello Matawale, released. And again, the comic cause understand said the governor thought say this peace accord initiative when it be say administration apply for this situation for this past 3 months, say it bring better result than the something when it be say then they self don't achieve for the assent of this peace accord initiative for the past 8 years. And again, he can talk say, he understands say different way they when it be say that they apply this peace accord for each state. The one when it be said then they self use the method say if it different from anywhere elsewhere. Say it they very different the way when it be say everybody take the approach this very peace accord when it be say it will give them the better result for their own administration. And for us to conclude this matter, it can talk say we make it categorically clear to everybody say money not dey part of this negotiation. Say wetin happen not pass be say everybody must come to the table with honest and genuine intention to make sure say they end this problem when it be say if they go on for inside our state. And not be only that one, it come for that talk say nobody dey when it be say if they enjoy this news when it be say if they attached to this so-called bandit when it be say if they wahala the country they go so. All right, my great and wonderful people, this one are the news when it be say we receive from the governor of Zamfara State when in name na Bello Matawale na in be this one, and with the negotiation when it be say in call peace accord initiative when he make with bandit make it they make sure say they leave his state for am na in be this very one. And before we will leave, una make una share una opinion with us for the comment section as we always they do. The state when it be say we can't dey for inside this nation and not pass be say. Now the state for us to beg the people when they kill our people. Beg them, say I beg, may we come to agreement. Now waiting in the call peace accord initiative, now it be this very one. Whereas we will they arrest, they imprison those people when it be say that they protest for bad governance. Yes, we rather they imprison those people when it be say they carry carbon paper, when it be say they stand for the front of maybe high court or secretariat or anywhere for the public gathering to tell governor say, oh, this road not good, this hospital we're supposed to build down, our people they die of diseases because of say we not get better hospital, oh, we not get lights. Those people that they get prison when it be say that they put them, they use mobile police and soldier to the make sure say they lock them up. Whereas the people when they say they carry AK-47, they kill our people on daily basis. Those people that they make negotiation with them to make sure say they sit down with the honest opinion. You understand? According to the man, may they come with honest opinion, genuine intention. Say, may we talk together, may we rub mind. I mean, they interesting. They very, very much interesting. Yes, the situation when it be say with the drive, they go. You know the reason why we they talk this very issue, not pass be say. When we they tell una say this administration, Buhari or whosoever they call the name to be, make una no blame us, say we still they use that name, Buhari. Now how they introduce that person when they are so rock to us, now be that. Say their intention, say they make it clear to everybody the agenda when it be say they get. People see they as in it baffles us to see Nigerian youth still they blindfolded with this their own agenda. Ever since when would they talk over all these things? Say people they talk say maybe na rumor, say people, so government or governor they negotiate with bandits for inside the state to say I beg leave my people alone. Whereas people when it be say that they speak for social media, that they arrest them on daily basis. Only social media. This will not even be people when it be say they carry placard. If they feel search for people when it be say they criticize them for social media, go arrest them. Talk about the one. Let us think about the people when it be say they can't even carry the placard now. Say they go for the front of National Assembly or the House of Senate. Say they want even go demand these people say, oh, this one are the thing when it be say we're not supposed to do. Or they want go boldly carry protest, go Aso Rock, the front of the gate, say, okay, presidency, una don't they fail for una duty. Just imagine. Those people, they, as in, according to their own law, they feel lock up those people. But bandits now, Boko Haram, not be today, we don't start to see, they say that they give them amnesty. But this one and a public, another, what is they call another law now, they even title them with fine name. Peace Accord Initiative. It says since when it be said that they apply that method now, the result when it be said they don't get for the past 3 months now, say they not fit use them compared to the result when it be said they don't get for the past 8 years when it be said that they fight this Boko Haram issue. President and them Adesina and Garba Shehu una be disgrace. Una be disgrace. Even this governor Matawale, now disgrace you be to your people. You know, the simple agenda when they say me they bring to the table, it don't pass anything. As you hear and talk for the last statement, say they don't add any money to this negotiation. Boko Haram before, you not tell you say they need money now. No, now Islamization, now be something. The simple agenda when they say they need to make sure say they conquer every territory for inside Nigeria. That is why they first of all come with this Ruga settlement. And the people when they say they reject, and I be the people when they say they make their enemy. Now Christian that they go against. As long as the governor agree to make sure say he use the people they settle them say they be their people, then themselves will be their people. You know, banditry, you will be our people. We, the governor and our citizen, will also be your people. We agree for you to rule over us. Why it be say we submit to your own order and rules. Yes, now the simple accord explanation. Now it be that. These people is too pale say the way when the be say na too dey deaf and dumb. According to the last news when the be say we read this morning when the be say the former governor of Ekiti State they tell Adesina say the Buhari presidency say na deaf and dumb. Say na accidental presidency na they be. Now true say una be deaf and dumb. All right, my people, I don't want to make I proceed more than this one. I just say me I quickly review this very one to you. I will leave una now, make una watch this next video, and I will come back for the conclusion.
In 1960, but I heard of Dr. Kalu Ezera, who had suggested in 1960 that Nigeria should change to Songhai, because you know the great empires in West Africa. You had Guinea, you had Ghana, you had Mali, and then you had Songhai. Nkrumah, on the 6th of March 1957, changed the colonial name of Gold Coast to Ghana and focused the attention of Ghanaians on the new entity. Unfortunately, the leadership of Nigeria at independence was not that far-sighted to even recognize that Flora Shaw, the girlfriend of Lord Lugard, could not give us a name, because the cognomen of Nigeria is derived from the Latin nigr. Nigr is black. It is from nigr that we got Negro. And now, in fact, the racists now call us niggers. So, in fact, it was a derisive name to give us, nigger area. And every time I see Nigerian athletes at international athletic meetings, and they wear tags saying NGR, it reminds me of nigger. And if even in America, where rednecks, racists are now afraid to use what is called the N-word, you don't say nigger anymore in today's world. And it's still, for me, antithetical to our pride. And as the world's largest concentration of black people, to be using that epithet of Nigeria. Songhai has some relationship with Nigeria. So I thought we could actually start rediscovering Nigeria by changing the name and all the bad things that have been associated with Nigeria. Nigeria is not a name that I'm proud of, which, as I say, does damage and violence to our worth, you know, as Africans. Even those who think that River Niger is the name from which the country took its own description will be shocked to realize that the traditional people did not call that river Niger. They call it Kwara. Kwara was the name given by the natives to what the people like Mungo Park and the Batten brothers or the Landa brothers suggested. You know what? When we were in primary school, we were taught that Mungo Park discovered the River Niger. But I tell my own students now that it's River Niger that discovered Mungo Park. So quite sincerely, 54 years after banning the name Niger area, I think the time was ripe for us to depart from the iniquity of Lord Lugard and his girlfriend and create a new nation for ourselves.
All right, my great and wonderful people. I think this one I don't even confirm everything. Say we did for Niger area. Yes, the place of niggers. Yes, even the government, the president, the governor, the House of Representatives, the senators, all of them are nigger. All right, my great and wonderful people. I will leave una now, make una share una opinion with us for the comment section, because I don't want to make we label this very matter too much. I want beg una say, I beg, make una not forget to help us share this news so that it will physically reach every of our brothers and sisters all over the world. As you do so, God Almighty will bless you all in Jesus' name. I beg make you remember, say, for you all, when it be say they help us, they share this news. And when BC still there with us out of this moment, say we appreciate you. Your time, when BC you spend with us out of this moment, say we not taken for granted. All right, we will see you again when we see you. Remember, we love you all. Bye-bye.